Future Enterprises is looking to sell its 50% stake in the general insurance business, which is called Future Generali. Varinder joins in with more details. Varinder, this is a move to monetize its business and pay down debt?
Well, this will be a big move by Future Enterprise. For the longest of the times, they have been just holding assets, in its portfolio. And one of the reasons why the stock has not moved at all is because of the debt what they have, nearly 4,200 crores. Now what we are learning is, remember this move, or they wanted to sell the general insurance business 2 years back to L&T Finance, but it didn't happen because they wanted a better valuation. Now what we are understanding is that the group is ready and they are in talks. They have been in talks for the longest of times, and this deal could happen very soon. Remember, if you're looking at the general insurance business, 50% is held by Future Enterprise, 24% by Future Group promoters, and the remaining with Generali. We are understanding that the total value of the general insurance business could be nearly 4,000 crores. That means if they sell 50% stake, they will get 2,000 crores. If that happens, the debt on the books of this company will halve, and that's a big thing for the company going ahead. And this is one of the biggest investments. They have been sitting on it for the longest of the times. So it is important to see how I understand there are 3 players, local and international, who are in fray to buy this, part 50% of the business of the general insurance entity. Also, please remember, if you just look at the numbers, as I said, the debt will halve if this deal happens at the price what I am mentioning. The company market cap is nearly 1,300 crores. The EBITDA what the company made last year on a consolidated basis was 1,000 crores. So you can imagine this company is trading only at 1.3 times and didn't move at all only because of the debt issue. There are many other assets what this company is sitting at. They have future supply chain, the value of nearly 1,500 crores. They have life insurance business. They have stake in Future Consumer Enterprise. They have Gulmohar and Apollo Mills, the land in Mumbai, and also they have staple business. So they have assets. In one of the presentations, the company has already said that the realizable value of the investments is over 10,000 crores. So if this deal happens, very good for the company. Going ahead, we tried to contact the company, but they didn't mention or offer any comments on this. I'll be waiting out for who the buyer is, but more importantly, what the deal price could be for this. And if that happens around 4,000 crores, as I said, that could have will be big for the company.
Varinder, any inkling on how soon is this deal likely to be announced?
My sense is that deal could happen next 2 to 3 months, okay, and maybe earlier. But I will take a lenient time frame in that. As I said, please remember. 1,314 crore of market cap of the company, 4,200 crore debt. If 2,000 crores go away, you are left with debt of only 2,200 crores, okay? But you are still left with assets which are worth if you minus the life insurance business, you are still left with assets which are nearly 6,000 to 7,000 crores. So even they have to monetize that in the next 3-4 years, you could probably see this company, with zero debt in the next 3-5 years. And still sitting on assets worth 5,000 crores. This is the company which holds all the assets, physical assets of Future Retail. That was the demerger which happened earlier, and also holds a lot of investments. The monetization didn't start for this company for the longest of the time. This is the first step when the monetization will actually start for the company. Please wait for it. We Mr. Biani, when we met last time also, he mentioned clearly that they want to get out of this business. But the time frame is not certain. Now what we are learning is that 3 companies are in fray, and this could happen very soon.
Okay, thank you very much for that.